Hi. When I first came to Australia, like the majority of tourists, I landed in Sydney and then Melbourne. There, I met hundreds and hundreds of Australians. And out of everybody that I met,
Top of the morning, Money Jackson.
0 of them were Aboriginals. That's why I flew all the way to the northwestern tip of Australia in Broome and drove through the middle of nowhere to meet a small community in the outback where these guys live.
The Aboriginals.
They are the first people to step foot in Australia thousands of years ago. They have their own languages, arts, flag, music, and tribes. Now, these guys are only 3% of Australia, but their influence here goes back thousands and thousands of years. The next time you think of Australia, think of Aboriginals because they deserve recognition and certainly deserve a visit.
That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
Meet Ryan.
Hi, I'm Ryan, and I make vodka from sheep.
This is the only guy in the world that can make vodka from a sheep. Here is how. First off,
I juice the sheep,
then
I take the milk,
then
separate the sugar,
then
I make the vodka.
and that vodka is so good, it got the best vodka award in the world.
And every bottle is handwritten.
Ryan lives in the beautiful island of Tasmania in Australia with his beautiful family. After 10 years of making cheese from sheep, he got bored, and after tons of research, he created the world's first sheep vodka. With a bit of determination, this small family on a small farm on a small island was able to turn milk into vodka.
That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
Meet Campbell.
Hi, I'm Campbell, and I make a teddy bear every day.
Campbell is a 14-year-old kid living in Tasmania, Australia. He wanted to help people, but he has no money or job.
I'm only 14.
But what his mom did have was...
A sewing machine.
So he taught himself how to make teddy bears from scratch. To send them to people around the world who could use a bit of support anywhere in the world.
I've made over 1,400 teddy bears so far.
And that act of kindness went viral. People from around the world joined his cause and donated money to raise over $150,000 and help a ton more people. Just hold on and think about this for a second. A 14-year-old boy with no money or resources found a way to change his world and the world of many others simply because he wanted to be kind. Because according to him,
Kindness matters. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
this food product is sold 22 million times every year in Australia. But if you're outside of Australia, I'm going to taste it for you to spare you the pain. Because this food is disgusting. I almost threw up. This is Vegemite, a popular food in Australia made of yeast that I and million others think this is inedible. While Australians, young and old,
Love it.
they put it on toast like it's Nutella. They put it in boiling water like it's hot chocolate, and they eat it without anything either.
Yum.
Even Australian dogs like it. This Vegemite is supposed to be healthy and come with a lot of vitamins, but once you smell it and taste it, you'll never want a vitamin inside your body ever again. This is the best example of how one man's pain is another man's pleasure.
That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
Meet Greg.
Hi, I'm Greg, and I love making things simple for you.
In today's world, many people are scared that science is too hard or too boring. Greg used to be a university science student himself until...
I quit my degree to go live in the wild.
And after 100 days in the wild, sleeping underneath the stars, 1, he started to look like Gandalf, and 2, he noticed the stars shifted during his sleep. And that's when he knew
There is something magical about the universe.
He bought a couple of astronomy books and a binocular and taught himself. Whatever he learned, he taught others, but this time,
Only using language that everybody understands.
he was so easy to understand that in 23 years, he taught 100,000 people about the universe and inspired many to become scientists themselves. Greg is an example that science does not have to be hard or boring, it just has to be taught well.
That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
YouTube! If you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet, tell them stories that you care about, and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours. NAS Academy has a lot of courses that are live. They're not pre-recorded, so there is real people from the NAS Daily team that teach you how to make videos like we do. Give you your voice that you so desperately need in today's world. If you're a business, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a family person, you need a voice on the internet. And NAS Academy helps you get that voice. Click on the link below if you want to see the courses that we offer. We have very limited spots, so grab yours today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.